Read and Write is a popular scan and read assistive technology program that is available on the macOS and Windows operating systems. The program also can integrate into a student's Google Chrome or Microsoft 365 account. Students who have access to Read and Write for Google Chrome may open their EPUBs in Read and Write's Epub Reader. To activate this reader, students must first have installed TextHelp's PDF Reader and must have set Read and Write for Google Chrome as their preferred app for opening EPUBs. In Read and Write's Epub Reader, students may access the EPUB's table of contents from the toolbar on the top left of the interface. Read and Write lets students choose whether they want to use the original EPUB formatting or make visual adjustments to the font. To make visual adjustments to the text, students must first click on the Settings menu on the right of the toolbar and select either Book Style with User Style or User Style Only from the Book Style drop-down menu. Students can also change the background color from the Settings menu. If students select User Style from the Book Style menu, they can now change the font type, size, color, and alignment from the Font Options menu. To begin reading the EPUB, students can press the play button on the toolbar.
Supporting children's development and learning.
Students can also activate the Click to Speak feature on the toolbar, which will allow them to begin reading from a specific point in the text.
In this video, George S. Morrison, Ed.D. Professor of
Students can adjust the text-to-speech voice and the speech rate from the Settings menu. Read and Write's Epub Viewer offers the same study skills that Read and Write users are accustomed to, such as highlights, collect highlights, vocabulary builder, fact finder, and more. Students should turn on the Study Skills mode to have access to these features. Now when students click on a word, they will see a pop-up window with an array of options. For instance, students can select the dictionary lookup icon and listen to a word's pronunciation.
Adjective, doing something as a job.
Students may also choose a highlight color after selecting a word or passage of the text. After highlighting multiple items, students can extract these highlights in different ways. In the middle of the toolbar, students can click on the Collect Highlights button, which will allow them to export the highlights to a study guide in Google Docs. The Collect Highlights Settings menu lets students choose what to name the Google Doc, how to organize the highlights, and which highlighter colors to extract. Students can also create a vocabulary study guide based on the words that they have highlighted in the text. To do this, students can click on the Vocabulary Tools button in the menu. Read and Write will create a Google Doc with a table containing the word, the definition, a picture, and an area for notes. To delete a highlight, students can select the highlight, click on the Remove Highlights button, and select OK from the pop-up menu. To add notes, students must first toggle the Annotations mode on the toolbar. They can then click where they would like to insert their note, and a pop-up window will appear. Students can then enter their note and press OK. A push pin icon will appear in the EPUB to indicate where the note is located. To delete a note, students can simply click on the note icon in the text, and then click on the trash can icon in the pop-up menu.